How to enable or disable loudness normalization balanced sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. So after click on sound and vibration, scroll down to end, click on sound quality and effects. So after click on sound quality and effects, you will see loudness normalization is here. So if you want to enable loudness normalization, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see loudness normalization is enabled. So if you want to disable loudness normalization, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see normal loudness normalization is disabled. So you will enable or disable loudness normalization from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable loudness normalization balanced sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.